Hello, I'm your teacher Erica, and welcome to this class. What are we going to do today? Today we're talking about some kind of rules pronunciation. The idea is you recognize how to pronounce some kind of words in a right way. Before you're gonna start the class, do you need to analyze these three questions? Do you know how to produce English word taking phonetics into account? Do you know about some pronunciation rules? Do you know what is phonetic used for? So this question help you with the idea of the pronunciation of the words. You need to analyze it, yeah, and you need to think about these three questions, okay? But well, let's gonna start. What's the idea? Well, some kind of rules is related with the vowels, A, E, O, I. So what's the idea? So vowels have two sounds, some short and others long. So look at some examples. In here we have fish. Fish is an animal, an animal. But the idea is that you focus in the pronunciation of the word. So fish is a word, yeah, we have a vowel, but with a short sound. Say fish. And look at the other word, tree. Yeah, tree is another word that you have a vowel, but in this case, this is a short sound. Look at this example. Yeah, the word fish has a short vowel. Yeah, can I say my son has a pet fish? Yeah, this is a short sound. And look at this. There is a tree in our backyard. This is a long sound. So you need to focus, in this idea, okay? When you have vowels, you need to analyze, if the sound is short or long, In here we have other samples. Look at this. My hair is getting too long, so I will need to cut it soon. Look at the word cut, it's a short sound vowel, And in the other side, can I talk to you a minute? Look at this. It's a short sound. When I say it's a long sound, sorry. When I say long sound, you need to use your mouth like a kind of smile, talk to you a minute. Okay, that's the idea for the first rule. This is one of the rules that you have, for the pronouns. Look at the others. A silent letter. This is another rule. A silent letter is a letter in a word that we don't say, but even is written in the word. Some kind of letters, are in the writing, but you don't say it. You need to forget it when you pronounce. Look at some examples. I go to school on my bike. Look at the word bike. Bike, it's a word that we have a vowel, a silent vowel, a silent vowel, the E, okay? This is. Look at the other. I hide the cakes from the children, We have the same vowel, You can say hide, You don't pronounce the E. I can't drive yet, I'm only 15. Look at these three examples. In these three examples, you cannot say the silent letter is the letter E. So you don't cannot pronounce. This is one of the rules. Another example. Look at Jaime sat at the table while cutting a piece of paper with scissors. The word scissors, we have a silent letter. In this case, the silent letter is the letter C. You cannot say the scissors, scissors. You don't cannot pronounce the letter C. So because is before, before the letter C, you have a S. This is the reason that don't cannot pronounce this C. Look at the other one. Edward have a huge muscles because he spends so much time working out. So the muscles, is the same rule, You don't cannot pronounce the C, okay? This is obviously right, but you don't cannot pronounce the letters. Another example for a silent letter, yeah, it's with the word K. Yeah, the word K, yeah, you said in some cases at the beginning of the word, yeah, and don't pronounce. For example, I know the answer. I know. Yeah, look at. We don't cannot pronounce the key. Yeah, you don't cannot say I can know the answer. Yeah, no, you know the answer. Yeah, this is another rule. Okay. Look at the second example. The chef has his knife. Yeah, the chef has his knife sharpened regularly. Yeah, look at the word knife. Yeah, the word knife. Yeah, we cannot say, don't say it the K word. And look at the last one. Larry knock on the door. You know, knock, knock, knock on the door. So it's the same rule. At the beginning of the word, if you use a K, yeah, and an N, yeah, we have the same rule. You don't cannot pronounce it. Okay, this is some kind of rules, simple rules of the pronunciation words. So you need to remember and you need to practice. Obviously, you have more rules about how to pronounce the word well, yeah. But you need to start with this, and you need to practice a lot of. So remember to practice so much, and thank you so much. Let's see in the next class. Thank you.